Chief Principal and your team, wachungaji wetu hapo kwenye jukwaa, Archdeacon Venerable Kamau and Archdeacon Venerable Dandi, and our school chaplain. God is good, and all the time. Our parents, we want to welcome you here to the school and to Kiambu County. Your Excellency, I won't say much. I want first to recognize that this is one school that has made Kiambu proud, Your Excellency. When we pride ourselves as a county and people count how many exemplary schools do we have in Kiambu, if you miss out Lemuru Girls, then you don't know Kiambu. And I want to congratulate the leadership that has been here in this school, because continuously you have upheld us. And the current girls in school, we are certain that even this year, as you sit for your exams, you are only going to take the bar higher. Sindio? Siku ilianza aje leo? Did it start well? We had our breakfast and we enjoyed it. Now I'll tell you something before I finish, because we also have Rigiji, and you know Rigiji, Sindio, I'll tell you just before I finish. But just to say very quickly, Your Excellency, number one, I want to request mchungaji at your own time, uombe Kimani Ichung'wah, ndio hiyo mambo ya US, ikwishe na atulie hapa sasa kwa vile ni mtu wetu. Secondly, Your Excellency, we enjoyed the small ride you gave us in the bus, as we thank you very much for giving us the bus. The small ride you gave us from there, we thank you and we enjoy it. Only that I want to thank God more that you are the president and not a bus driver. Because, and anyway, God had his plan when he made you the president. If you are a bus driver, then most of us would have a very hard time to ride because you have the country on your mind, and I'm sure other things. Lastly, Your Excellency, so that we are quick on time, let me acknowledge Your Excellency as the motto of this school. They say that in faith we go. And as their mission is, it is true that this school has lived to its mission, which is to educate and to mentor character and excellence, Your Excellency. And from the names we have seen of those that have come from this school, it is evident that indeed you have lived the dream. We've seen big names there, Professor Misere, Mugo. We have seen names of Akina Justice Daluj, Justice Ngawa. And there's something about good lawyers in this school. Because when I was speaking to the head girl, she told me she also wants to be a lawyer. Your Excellency, you will not be short of good people to stand with you in government. Lastly, kwa vile wasichana, tunajua vile tulianza breakfast, na His Excellency yako hapa atatusaidia na mambo yenye tumeombwa hapa ya kujenga hiyo administration block yetu. Hiyo mzigo tumewachia rais, atafanya. Na rais anaweza, situmpigie makofi. Na rais wetu, karibu. Wakati tulikuita rais kwa vile sisi hatukubahatisha, tunajua wewe hii kazi unaweza. Na Bwana Mashogu, waziri wetu, pahali unaweza kupata tutelage ile nzuri ya mambo ya kuendesha hii mambo ya masomo, huyu rais. Your Excellency, tunakumbuka wakati when you were the cabinet secretary, when you were the minister for education, what happened in this country? That time education started to excel. Sasa ile kazi tulikuwa tu tunasema wakati unamaliza hiyo yako, Your Excellency, sasa hapa we, my brother and my boss Rigiji, sasa ujue hapa hawa watoto wetu wanaenjoy kukula chapati ama ni aje? wanaenjoy kukula tu sausage. Jana walikalia governor kidogo, governor kununua sausage ya asubuhi. Sasa mimi nilikuwa nataka nikuachie ya kesho, ni Sunday. Tuachie Rigiji. Na kwa vile rais atajenga, rais akijenga, sasa atuangalie pande hiyo, na wakikula sausage, our boss, the deputy president, wakule na kanyama na chapati. Sasa hiyo ni kazi ni kazi ya mkubwa wetu. Your Excellency, nataka kuchukua hii nafasi nimwalike okay. Wacha nimwalike our women rep akuja aseme moja, alafu nimwalike waziri.